Assalamualaikum and good day everybody. Today I will be sharing my metaverse space experience in education. So the course that I have chosen is Psychogeography and Wellbeing, and I will be conducting my class using the metaverse experience platform. So let's get started. Okay, so students will be brought into this campsite space, the first metaverse space that I have created, and students are able to move around and explore at their own will and also their own preference. I've also put in a lot of notes and also some materials around the campsites, and also I've provided 3 portals that the students can choose whichever portal that they can explore. So the objective of this course is to actually combine the environment, the space, and also how individual things and behave when they are in different surroundings or experiences. Okay, so students can sit for a while waiting for their friends, and also they can actually watch the music video that I have created specially for this class. And yeah, so that's the campsite area. And then let's say, okay, I'm jumping. Woo! Okay, so let's say the students decided to go into this platform, right? So before that, you see there's a lot of stationaries and equipments outside the portal, and also there's the notes, the elements of psychogeography that I have included next to the portal. There are 6 elements that students are supposed to use when they explore the portal, and after reading that, then the students can choose the portal and go into it. Okay, for example, let's say the students choose the second portal, which is the Ashley's Beach, and students will be transported in through this portal into a new environment space. Okay, so in this case it is the beach. So students are free to roam and explore this area, and they can actually choose what they want to experience, whether it is the sound, the sight, the smell, the touch, or the movement. Right? If there's people there in the environment, the space, then they can go and approach and talk to the person, or they can just sit and then watch what other people are doing, or they can just have fun, explore, and just experience whatever that they are able to observe and notice. And these are the things that I ask the students to bring them back with them when they come back to the campsite to share their experiences, and also do some reflections based on their exploration and discovery. Okay, so have fun. If you want to swim, you can swim for a while. If you want to look up and see the birds, the sky, the clouds, and then if you are already happy and satisfied, then maybe it's time to come back to the portal, right? So I'll be waiting for you at the campsite. Come back, all right. All right, so welcome back to the campsite area. I hope you had a very fun exploration and discovery. So come back while we wait for other friends. You can sit down, relax in front of the campfire, or look around and go to other portal. But I hope you had a good time. Can't wait to listen to your reflection, your discovery, and your experience. Okay. With that, thank you so much for joining me in this session. This is my first attempt of using the metaverse space experience for my course, and I really hope that this kind of experience will make the students more interested and also engaged in the learning outcome of my course. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I can't wait to make more metaverse experience for my courses. Okay, thank you for watching.